Hey there and welcome back to There's a First Time for Everything, where you'll join me each and every week as I go on my culinary journey. I'm going to be looking out for the most sought out food options online. Food tutorials, food descriptions, food ingredients. Hey, I've never made any of these dishes before, so guess what? We're in this together. Let me know where I fail, let me know did I succeed. Hey, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll let you know as well. With the ingredients that good, with the tutorials that easy, hey, we're in this together. And each and every week, guess what? We'll be doing this again and again and again. So today, you like I did that, right? I just came on in. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at Tammy's turkey wings. Tammy says it is the best turkey wings there is. Smothered in gravy, cooked in gravy, baked to perfection. Hey, you guys look, I'll taste, and I'll guys let you know. Was the flavors there? Was the cooking there? Was the preparation there? Was the tutorial simple and easy for someone like me that's never made this ever, 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 ever? Did I say ever? You got it. So, hey, come on now, it's time to make some turkey.
What do I add? How much? Tablespoon, teaspoon, quarter teaspoon? Let me tell you something. When it comes to the seasonings that don't contain salt, just add enough to cover the meat. Make sure everything is well covered. Because it's not salt-based, so it's like, what are you worried about? You know what I mean?
So after we've cleaned our meat off, we are going to season it. You want to make sure you season the meat very well on each side. So as she said, you definitely want to get everything covered. A lot of the seasonings that she recommended us use, a lot it's not salt based, so you can get as heavy or as light as you want to. You see I'm getting up in there.
We're going to add our paprika. And the paprika is going to give it a nice color. Hearty color. It's going to contribute to the gravy once we make the gravy and everything else. Else. We're going to also add our Montreal chicken seasoning. If you don't have Montreal chicken seasoning, you can also...
So as we said, you definitely want to get up in there with the seasonings. A lot of the salt-based seasonings, don't go too heavy, but with your cayenne pepper, a lot of the jerk flavor seasonings, you can just be as generous as you want to. Make sure you coat each side very thoroughly. Definitely let that red seasoning shine through. It adds to the flavor in it, and it's definitely going to help with the gravy process when we get to that a little bit later. Let's go. And after you season your turkey legs and your turkey drums thoroughly, you want to get up in there, massage it all around, make sure, like I said, each side is thoroughly coated. You don't want to bite one side and then the other side's bland, the other side just bursting and popping the flavor in your mouth. So you just want to get up in there, massage it all around, and get it going good.
Top just like this. Get it up in there. Add some to the liquid as well, because you want the flavors from the onions to mix with the seasonings as well.
So guys, make sure that you preheat your oven to 450. Now that we've got everything seasoned up, we're going to place our turkey legs as well as our drums in a pan. Make sure that pan is fully coated with butter. You don't want anything to stick. On top of those turkeys, you want to make sure you cut up your onions to just add that kick of extra seasoning before we place into the oven and get things cooking.
2 seconds. But we're about to make our gravy. So we have about 2 cups of water. I also have some turkey gravy mix right here, which we're going to add to the water. We're going to add a little bit of bouillon powder as well. Just a little bit. I would say about half a tablespoon probably.
So now we want to move into making the gravy. The gravy is pretty simple. You want to add 2 cups of water, 1 packet of turkey gravy mix, any brand's okay. You're going to add a half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, and then you're going to add 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This time, I like to use almond flour, and you can also use coconut flour. It just adds that much more of a better kick to me personally. Hey, you try it. Let me know which one works better for you. I promise my way's better. So whenever cooking, I just think it's very important to check the process as you go. So right here, we just want to take it out, make sure it's cooking perfectly, make sure it's cooking evenly. A lot of times you may want to take a spoonful of the juices that's cooking underneath just to add to the top of your turkey legs. Make sure it's not getting dried out. Hey, look at it. It's getting good, ain't it? So halfway through the 1.5-hour recommended time of cooking your turkey, you want to make sure you add your gravy that you just made. You want to add it to the top. You want to add it to the surroundings. You want to make sure that while it's cooking, it's getting the flavor underneath. It's getting the flavor on top. So when you bite into it, it's just cooking everything together. Also, those turkey juices that's been cooking underneath, once you add that gravy, it's just going to make that gravy kick that much more. Hey junkies, so we did a thing. We made turkey wings. Look at that. It's hitting, it's kicking. I'm ready to dive in. I added a brown rice to it just so I can soak up that gravy with it and get a full mouthful of flavor, full mouthful of taste, full mouthful of bang. Let's dig in.
It's all done. Guess what, you guys? It's time to go in. I decided to make a little brown rice to go with the gravy, something that she suggested. Turkey leg looks amazing. Time to dig in. Taste buds on point. Okay. Okay, Tammy. Wow. You guys can see that? You can see it. I can taste it. Amazing. So I have Tammy information down below. Make sure you guys check her out. Make sure you watch the video of her own. Hey, try it at home. And make sure you guys tune in each and every week where we do what? Do it again. I had so much fun with you guys. See you later, junkies. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you do what? Comment down below. Alright, you guys have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye. You know what you took it? I always love your guys' feedback. Make sure you let me know what you guys think. Hey, send me some tutorials this way. I would love to know what you guys want me to cook next. Hey, you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll do this again. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey there and welcome to There's a First Time for Everything. Will you join? Hey there. Hey there and welcome back to There's a First Time for Everything.